Seen the thumbnail? Yeah, I wish this was clickbait. But well, here we are, and I never thought I would make a video where I would explain how much money I lost. You probably heard these stories of successful traders telling about their journey, how they would blow up some accounts, how they first would lose money before they would make money, but I was determined. I would not become one of them. I would be successful from the goddamn start. Yeah. Now, to be honest, there is actually a way to be great from the start. But that is for certain not the path I took. So in this video, I will tell you my biggest trading mistakes and also what you can learn from them so you won't make those mistakes. I remember the first time I bought a stock. It was summer of 2020. My first sticker out was a Billy. The name just sounded fun, and if there's one thing for certain, if a name of a stock sounds fun, you should invest in it. Well, that was my first strategy. Is the fun name, buy the stock. Now, of course, I had no clue what I was doing, but from that moment, I was hooked. Saw the price moving, and I thought, I want to learn to trade. I came across this video, learn how to trade stocks with Adam Koo. Hell damn yes. Bam. Now the only problem was the course was quite expensive and I was just a broke student. I could not afford these expensive trading courses. So what did I do? Well, let's say I got the courses one way or another, but I studied tremendously. I built my whole regime. I built my trading setups. I knew what I wanted to see in the market and I was trading my system religiously. And you know what? It paid off. It paid off big time. I was for 4 months in immediately profitable. What a dream life. Profitable swing trading from day one. I don't know if you're familiar with the Dunning Kruger effect. That means beginners overestimate their skills because they still don't know what there is to learn. I was very good in one type of market. I thought I knew it all, and in actuality, just knew the tiniest bit. I was living in a small student dorm, 12 square meters. I was about to get goddamn rich. And here is my plan. Step 1, get money. Step 2, trade that money. Step 3, let's be rich, baby. Step 1 was so easy. I went to my family, I went to my friends, showed them my track record of the past 4 months, and all was good. In no time, I had 100k to trade with. I was profitable with my swing trading from the start. That was awesome. I had my best month was 15%, my worst month was 6%. Keep in mind, I'm not risking more than 1% of my portfolio for each given trade. So I was doing great. What would be even better? More money. I wouldn't risk more money with my stock trading strategy, so what did I do? What about options? Yeah, that is where everything went to shit. Why would I not be profitable with options? Well, I wasn't. Just like with my stock trading, I put a strategy into place. I would sell covered calls and covered puts. Did not have a decent risk management. I had no idea what would I do when everything goes to shit. I remember one time I had an option trade in the ETF of ARK and it kept on dropping. I didn't know how to respond. I didn't know how to manage my risk. I had no idea, and the stock just went the opposite direction. I had no idea how to manage this. I saw my equity going down and down. I was in full-on panic mode. Keep in mind, I was not at a desk trading. No, I was traveling in Africa, looking at my phone, how my money just went, how my dreams were fading away, and I was just stuck, mentally stuck, physically stuck. I never have lost so much money in my life. I never even had so much money in my life, and now it was just all going away with such one stupid trade. So I closed my position with a big loss and I was devastated. That was the first big loss I had. But do you think I stopped trading options? Hell no. When you fall off your horse, you get back up. I don't think that was the best idea, but I got up. I started trading options again. I made my money back. I lost it again. I made my money back and I lost it again 3 times the same way. Damn big losses. And at my last big loss, I thought, fuck. Well, I don't think I like options that much. I was making money with stock swing trading before. I don't want these options anymore in my life. At this point, I will give you 2 very valuable lessons. I think the first year, it's very natural to experiment with different products, with different things. But experience on minimal capital. It's your intuition feed to the market. When you have found something that fits your personality, stick with it. It's like the quote of Bruce Lee. I do not fear the man who practiced 1,000 punches, but I fear the man who practiced 1 punch 1,000 times. It's exactly the same with trading. Become good in one product, in one setup, in one time frame, and master it tremendously. But that is not what I did. So I lost a ton of money. So I had an idea. Let's go back to my initial plan. Get money, trade it, become damn rich. What's the fastest way to get money quick? Well, I got a loan from the bank of 25,000 euros, so I could cover my losses a bit. It didn't feel that painful. So I started swing trading again. But you know what happened now with swing trading strategy? First month, losing month. Second month, losing month. I thought, holy, this is not going to plan at all. Now, here's the second lesson. There will always be unknown unknowns. There will always be black swans. The market is constantly changing. I was unaware of that. I thought it worked once, it will work all the time, which was totally not the case. And the more I was learning to trade, the more I was researching, the more I was reading books, the more I was... Because there was always one thing that was going for me. I would never give up. I would go to the place, I would change as a person, I would research, I would do whatever it takes, because I just love to trade, and I would do whatever it takes to master it. But I took unnecessary risks and I paid the price big time. Before you change strategies, always test it on paper, always test it on a small account, and be comfortable with your strategy. With any strategies, there will be drawdowns. The reason why you should start with a small size or with paper is so you know you can overcome this drawdown, so you know you can trust these strategies even when things don't go to plan. You have to know you can trust your strategies when you keep on losing. When you don't do that and just go chasing unicorns, you will end up with a drained account. And at that point, I knew I was in a drawdown, and I was thinking to myself, should I just stick to my plan or should I change? And this is the first time I started to backtest my strategy tremendously. And out of my backtest data, it showed that indeed these drawdowns are normal. On the months I was profitable, the market conditions were extremely favorable for my strategy. And the market conditions changed, and I could wait to go for the market conditions to go back in my favor, but then still it would not yield to the returns I was aspiring to. So this is the time I decided to start day trading. With all my trading experience, I have done everything. I've done options, I've done forex, I've done swing trading. Now was day trading was its turn. I bought a course and I was still not making money. How the heck am I losing money when I did all of this job? I bought a course, I'm supposed to make money now. Why the heck was I losing money? And then that didn't work. Then I switched to futures, then I went back to stocks. And now finally, after all this time, I found a strategy that I'm absolutely happy with, but a strategy I developed myself based on all the lessons I got, based on all the books I've read, based on all the information I gathered. But there are a few lessons that got me there. The most valuable lesson that I can give is learn to trade first. Trade on trade on paper, trade on extremely small size. If you cannot be profitable on small size, you won't ever be profitable. You need to have that background. You need to learn price action. If you start with money too soon, it's so hard. The bad habits. Because I started trading with money from the start. My journey took so much longer because I had to face discipline, I had to face fear, I had to face greed, I had to face every aspect, everything I taught myself wrong. I had to relearn the right way, I had to reset my mindset. So start learning good from the start, and you will make mistakes. But your mistakes don't need to cost you money. It cost me a lot because I thought I'm better than everybody I see here. I can learn everything faster. I'm smart. Yes, I'm smart, but this is not about being smart. If you think you can do it, if you think you can be better than anyone else here, you're probably not. The only way you can get there faster is know that you're capable of sabotaging yourself. From the moment you can admit that, you can work on that. A second thing that I learned a lot from journaling is incredibly important. Write down your emotions, how you feel, look back on it, learn from that. It is from your mistakes you will learn. You have to be able to look in the mirror and tell yourself, holy fuck, I can be so much better. It's okay that it takes time. Trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Yeah, there are some exceptions, but never think you're one of the exceptions. You know what these exceptions do? Are the people who don't expect to be profitable from the start, are the people who are willing to go through the journey, because it is a whole journey with ups and downs. Patience is such a skill I had to learn. I hate being patient. And in trading, you make money in the sitting. It's the not taking action that is so important. It's the waiting for the right moment, waiting to take profit. Don't try to make as much money as you can. Try to make the best possible trades. Don't focus, can I make money here? Is this a good trade or is it not? Losing trades can be good, winning trades can be bad. It's about following your plan. Your job is finding the best trades. The step that would have saved me so much money is stop when you're annoyed. Take a break, breathe, meditate when you're getting angry, and just gambling your money away. Don't be that person. Trading is all about discipline, discipline, and discipline. If you want to be a disciplined trader, be disciplined in every aspect of your life. Practice your discipline. And if you think, nah, I'm good, I don't need to practice my discipline, I don't need to prepare mentally for my trading, I don't need to do all this advice, I am better than you. Don't be overconfident, because the markets will humble you very fast. And if you want to be truly great as a trader, you have to check out these free 5 trading tools.